You will get a ticket.
That's just broken.
Right lads, we are here in the new Basher and we are at a pretty big car meet up in London somewhere. So fuck it. Not much to I'm too bored to explain all this. I want to get out. Fuck it, we got a big car meet to look around here. This is gonna take a long time. Oh damn. Well, that already tells you a lot, doesn't it? Yeah boys, this is the tier of car meet we have come to. We got a lot of good stuff here. So, let's get our asses ready. Welcome to London, boys, and the meets that go on here.
Look at that Mini.
Damn. That's definitely one way to modify your Mini. ST200 there.
On the Evo there.
Oh my. Oh my. We got some nice ones here, boys. We got some very nice ones here.
Watch out, this one's going to run over, mate.
Damn 350Z that hasn't actually been ratted to hell.
Bring neons back.
Bring back neons. It's all their glory. Oh, the smell of diesel. Somebody just failed to start really bad.
It's going to hurt their reputation.
Some people here have got their number plates off. They're going to get up to no good. Got a GT86 there, Honda Civic, Sylvia, Toyota Chaser. Sylvia gang. Even though I swear that's a Chaser there. Listen to that supercharger.
What is that? No, this is fucking something.
What? Oh, that's a fucking Holden.
I love that. I love you! I love you!
Oh my god! I'm sorry lads, I'm addicted to tyre smoke.
Oh yeah.
Go on! Right, let's get to the car, we gotta start getting out of here. Right, second location's dialed in, right?
Wait, where am I going?
I don't know! Oh yeah, look, car's here. Car's parked up here. Fucking pull over here, yeah. I can't tell where the main car park is or if there even is one. Let's see where the main attraction is then, eh?
Is that a bit about this roundabout?
Yeah.
That's Evo. A45 AMG. How low that is.
Damn.
I know it is.
I know.
What the hell's going on there?
I don't know, mate. Mr. Wang. Someone is undercover.
I bet there'll be a few bobbies here that are just plain clothes.
Yeah, but they won't. They may not be able to do anything because the
They'll just be observing, taking number plates and shit.
What?
No airbags, we die like a robot. Nice.
Oh, it's cold. That is what we fucking want here. Ooh! Don't reverse into me.
I guess this is the second location.
This roundabout, so we're going to see some drifting.
But we're going to see some naughty stuff here. George, you know what?
Oh,
those guys are over there.
we could, but we don't want to get ran over. Damn, off he goes. Oh, he's off. Some action. Look at that! Fucking God! Oh shit! Whoa! Whoa!
What a legend. Oh!
God. Would you look who's here? Right, well, the police are everywhere.
Right, well, let's go to this location. New location.
New location, yeah. Let's do this, boys. Yeah, they ain't got much of a police response. Get that out of my fucking eyes. Yeah, they're all setting off now.
3.2 miles away.
Oh.
It's a little bit further away.
Where'd we park? Let's get moving, boys.
Right,
let's go. Yeah, everyone's off now. The police know exactly what's going on, but they might lose track of them.
Oh no!
Oh! What are you fucking doing, you fucking cunt bag?
Everyone's leaving, look, there's no one else here. All they got to do is follow some of the people and that's it.
Stay green, please.
Oh look, we're at Eastern Road 2.0 again. There we go, it's just down there. 2.0. So we're at Dormant Road 2.0.
Oh yeah, look, here we are. Where do you want to park? Same cars as last time.
Is that alright? roundabout? There is.
There is.
Should we go and stand by the roundabout?
Yes. Before the police fucking show up. We need to figure out where to fucking park.
Someone's drifting.
Is that a roundabout there? Damn, that's fucking tiny. This will get fun, boys. Let's get ourselves moving. Right, location number 3. Let's see how this ends. I mean, people drifting around that roundabout, good luck. I mean, people might try. Well lads, this is what we came for.
Fucking hell.
Fucking Jesus. Oh! Oh, that sounds lovely. Oh, I know. Oh, you almost fucked it then. Go on, roll it, roll it. Over there. There they are. 3 cylinders of fury. Go on. I mean, he tried. Oh!
That's just broken.
He just fucking money shifted, didn't he?
Get fucked!
Let's see how much of the gearbox is now on the road. Oh, fuck me. Does that actually just come off the block?
Yeah, mate, that's fucking dumb.
Oh, there he is. Around all those people. Yeah, oh man. Oh, that's part of it. That's part of it as well.
So what's your mum gonna say? You know, you killed her car.
What did you do? Did your money shift, or was it like...
No, just bang.
What, just went bang like that?
Mate, his sump's gone.
Ah, I see. Yeah, that's why it caught fire, because I saw that.
Oh mate, I said to him, pop the bonnet, I just saw orange, I was like, pop the fucking bonnet. Nice, cheeky
Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me.
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's...
There is shit everywhere. Rest in pieces, my friend. Rest in pieces. We're gonna get another one. Oh, damn it.
Go again. Don't slam it, guys. Don't slam it.
Oh.
Don't slam it.
It didn't slam because it slammed on my coat. Well, if that ain't the car scene in my video, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's
Oh, looks like we left just in time.
Oh my, feds.